So hello my dear students, today in this class we have to start a new chapter, okay? It's chapter number 2, Introduction to Euclid's Geometry, okay? So before starting this chapter, first we have to know about the Euclids, okay? The Euclids is a great Greek mathematician, okay? Great Greek so Euclid is a great Greek mathematician, okay, and they give some statements in the geometric mathematics, okay. Which part of mathematics? Geometric mathematics. And next, he introduced some approaches, okay, like solids, and there are some points, okay. Solids, in that solids, they introduce in that solids, they give 3 points here, okay, so on. And what is the geometry? First we should have to know geometry. Geometry, this word, okay, geometry, this word is derived from Greek language, okay. Geometry word is derived from Greek language, and geometry, okay. Geometry is derived from the Greek word. What is the meaning of geometry actually here? See here. Geo, which means earth, okay. Geo, which means earth, and metrian, which means measurement. Geo, which means earth, and metrian, which means measurement, okay. So whole geometry, what is the meaning of geometry now? The measurement of land. Is it right? The measurement of land. Actually now geometry is used to measure some areas. Is it right? Geometry, this part is used to measure some areas of the shape, size. Is it right? That's why the meaning of geometry is measurement of land or area. Is it right? So now the Euclid introduced some definitions, okay, some definitions regarding to this geometry. Definitions, and introduce some axioms, and as well as they introduce some postulates. So now we have to study about the definitions, axioms, and postulates according to the Euclids. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about their definitions. Okay. Now the Euclids introduced the abstract model of this world. Okay, abstract means which cannot be seen. Is it right? Abstract means which cannot be seen. Abstract models. They introduced the abstract models in that world. These abstract models, they introduced a plane, line, points, okay. These are abstract points are they introduced, and they introduced the world motion, the solids, okay, the solids having their own shapes and size as well as their positions. Okay, Euclid's introduced the abstract. In that abstract word, plane, line, and points. So plane, which means it is a surface. Okay, so in that abstract points or concepts, they introduce a geometry, and they introduce some axioms and postulates. So they give the notions, they introduce solids. Okay, in that solid having shapes, size and positions. Okay, while in these solids, the solids points is converted here. First solid and surface and line, after that single point. Okay, so solid, surface, line and point. What is the surface here? Okay, surface is one plane. Okay, anything one solid having their upper or bottom surface. Okay, the surface having only 2D, 2 dimension. Is it right? 2 dimension and it have no any width. Is it right? So that's why these 4 points decrease in their intention. So that intention we call as a dimension. That intention we call as a dimension, decreasing. The solid having 3 dimension and the surface having 2 dimension and line having 1 dimension and a point, okay, and a single point having no any dimension. Is it right? So now we have to going to discuss about their axioms. Now we have to discuss about their axioms. Okay, there are the Euclid's introduced lots of axioms. In your syllabus, you have to discuss about only 7 axioms. Okay, so now we have to discuss these 7 axioms. So see here, dear students, these are the definitions according to Euclid. Okay, so before studying the axioms of Euclid, now first you have to know his definitions. Okay, these are the some few definitions in a book 1 elements. Okay, so see here, first definition according to Euclid: a point is that which has no part. A point is that which has no part, which means, see here, this is a one line. Okay, this line is made up of lots of points or the bundle of points. Okay, see here, these are the points. Okay, and this line is made up of these all points. Okay, in a straight line. So here a point is that which has no part. It means a single points, the bundle of these points, okay, having one line, and line is made up of the bundle of points. So here this one point is considered as a one single point. Okay, it is a very small thing. So that's why we can't divide or we can't cut this point. Okay, it is always a whole one point. So we call as a point is that which has a no part. It means the point, this point we can't cut or we can't divide into 2 parts. This point is only the whole point. Always this is a one whole point. Okay. Is it clear? The point which has no any another part, it is always a whole. Next, second definition: a line is breadthless length. Okay, see, this is a line. This is a line, or take one simple line. Okay, this is a line. This line having length only, no any breadth. Okay, this line having only length, it is not having any breadth. Okay, and what is the example of breadth? See here. this is one rectangle, or this is one example for duster. Okay, see, consider it is one duster. Okay, so duster length is, this is a duster length. Okay, and this part is the duster width or breadth. Width or breadth. Okay, so length of duster and this is the width of duster. But in the case of a single line, it having only length. Okay, not any breadth. Is it right? So that's why the Euclid say a line is breadthless length. Okay, the line having no any breadth. Is it clear? Next, third one, see here. The ends of a line are points. The ends of a line are points. So see here, this is the one line, and it is this end is considered as an A, and this end is considered as a B. And this end having there one point. Okay, this is point A, and the end here, this is the one point. This point is called as a point B, which means here the two ends of this line having a single point. Is it right? See here, the ends of a line are points. Is it clear? Next, fourth one, see here. A straight line is a line which lies evenly with the points on itself. It is also said as a breadthless line. See here, a line is made up of the bundle of points, or so many infinity number of points. Okay, so that's why these are the points, and these line. Okay, see here, what is it? The straight line is a line which lies evenly. Now this line is lies evenly with the points on itself. Okay, see here, this straight line is lies evenly in their own points. Okay, not another here. Okay, this line comes lies here, and this line comes line here. Okay, this line is lies in their own points. Okay, is it clear? Next, fifth one, see here, a surface is that which has length and breadth only. Now come to this duster. Okay, this is an example for duster, and this is the surface of that duster. Okay, and this is the length of that duster. See here. Okay, this is an example for duster. Okay, and this is a point A, and this is a B. This is a duster, and this distance is length, and this upper surface. Okay, this upper part is the surface of that duster, which means now the breadth of this surface is 2 cm consider, and the length of this duster is 4 cm, which means the surface having length as well as breadth. Okay, next here, sixth one, the edges of a surface are lines. See here, take this is one box. Okay, now these are the edges of that box. These and this. Is it right? These are the edges of that box. Or you can take this one example, or you can take. These are the edges of that surface, and this edge is always an straight line. Okay, always a straight line. See here, this is the example for duster, and this is edges of that duster. Okay, these are the edges of that duster. Is it right? So these edges of that surface is always a straight line. Okay, this is the surface of duster, or it is the surface of duster, and these edges are always in a straight line. Is it clear? So Euclid also say that the edges of a surface are a line or in the straight line. Okay. Next, seventh one. A plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with the straight line on itself. It is also same as a which one? This surface which has length and breadth. See here. A plane surface is a plane surface which lies evenly with straight line itself. Okay, it's a plane surface and it lies evenly in a straight surface. Is it clear? So now, please note down this all 7 definition of Euclids, and we shall start here. In the next class, we have to discuss about their axioms. Okay, we have 7 axioms. Now we have to discuss about these axioms. Okay.